Hello everyone, in this video I will give you a TEMU app review. So TEMU has emerged as a notable player in this e-commerce landscapes, particularly appealing to a budget conscious shoppers. Now TEMU is a mobile shopping application as well as you can buy from websites just like Amazon here directly with manufacturing, allowing it offer extremely low prices on wide array of products from fashion to home goods and from launch from salts to steel, so you can buy it here. Now the key feature is it's very user friendly, right? Even though if you just go and try out this application, mobile application as well as on the website, the product varieties, for example, let me show you some of the product varieties. So I will just a simple product. Let's I will search for t-shirt. Obviously there's a t-shirt for men, t-shirt for women, children's and a lot. So here you will find a lot of varieties. Sometimes it's take a little bit load due to my network issues here, but you will find are really good. So the variation is really nice. And personalization, it's offer personalized recommendation based on user preference and past searches. So if you obviously this is algorithm everywhere, it is available on whether if you compare from social media to social commerce, everywhere it's available. And Temu is pretty popular for their discounts. For example, if I just go and click on bonus coupon, it will give me $100. I'm sure it will give me $100, right? And as you can see here, always, right? So this is it will it I just got a $20 coupon code, and there's a price drop, and there's a lot of deals, promotions and discounts. The cons is long shipping times because every product comes from China. Many users report extended delivery periods, particularly for international shipment. The quality of items can be inconsistent. Some products may meet expectation based on their description, some might not. Users have experienced delay in resolving issues with orders and especially with the refunds. So here Temu is consider a legitimate and operates under PDD Holding, a public traded company. However, concerns about quality control persist since the platform does not regularly vet its seller or products. Users are advised to read reviews carefully before purchasing a product because obviously you can buy it at a very low cost, but obviously you can see here the customer support is not really good. So in summary, Temu offers an enticing shopping experience for those who prioritize low price over immediate delivery and guaranteed quality, which is very slightly different from Amazon and other e-commerce platforms. Thanks for watching this video.